Hey everyone! All right, so we're going to do a 10-minute, giving myself 10 minutes, shield and ribbon today for DES 103. So this is the week 4 assignment. You'll notice that I have some images here and I will share my images with you at the end. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a shield and I'm going to pick a ribbon, and I'm also going to think through my color scheme. So I have open right here my pop art swatches. You can go to your swatches panel, go to the three lines on the side, go to open swatch libraries, and then you can pick if you wanted a different one. Maybe I'll go with Middle Ages because we're doing some shields. But actually, that's a good color scheme. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a box up at the top, and I'm going to color it in with that gold color. And then I'm going to draw another one and just do a kind of a little bit of a lighter tint of the gold color. And then I'm also going to draw 3 boxes that are going to be the 3 shades of red that I see here. One's a little orangey, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to do the shield first. I am going to do the shield right here. And it's really easy. I just need my pen tool. I am going to change my border to a different color, and I'm just going to follow from here down to here. All right, so what I want to do is I want to really zoom in, make sure I have my rulers on. And I'm going to drag a ruler to the center of the shield here. And because this is a JPEG, it's really pixelated. And I'm going to draw the inside of the shield first. So click here. I'm going to click, not let go and drag. Go to my option key, grab the handle. Down here, click and drag. Option key again, and I'm just going to kind of fix that one. And I'm going to close up the path, grab my option key, and make sure it's nice and straight. There we go. That's why I'm using the ruler, because it'll straighten itself to it. I'm just going to fill it in so it gives me a little bit more room. It doesn't need to be perfect, so don't worry. And then I'm going to do the outside shape. This time, though, I'm going to start. Yeah, I'll start down here again. Click, drag, don't let go. Option key, right there. Click, drag, don't let go. Go back up with my option key and just kind of fix that one. And then I'm going to click right here. I knew it was going to be like way over there, which is fine. And I'm just going to come right back around, probably to right about here. And I just kind of clicked and dragged just a little. Click and drag just a little. Bring that down to about here. Click, drag, grab my option key and fix that part. And then close it up. My option key, make it nice and straight. And then I can fill that in. So then all I need to do is reflect these. So I'm going to select the inside part, and I'm either going to go up to Object, Transform, Reflect, or you can right click. And I want it to be vertical 90%, and I'm going to press copy, and it's going to make a copy of it. I'm going to hold down the shift key as I start to, as I start to drag it over. And I want to place it next to the other one. I'm going to do the same thing right here. I'm going to click on it, and again, go up to Object, or you can Control click or right click, and go to Transform, Reflect, and hit copy. Make sure it's at vertical 90 still. click. As you're dragging it over, hit the shift key. Hold the shift key down so it straightens it all out. Then what I need you to do is go up to view and change it to your outline view, or hit Command or Control Y. And then go to view, and we're just going to hide the guides for a moment so we can make sure that they're lined up. So let's grab this one first, and we need them to be nice and lined up. So try to zoom in as close as you can get till they're just, even just overlapping will work. And same thing down here, grab. These ones, you might want to even turn your guide back on to make sure that you got nice and centered. If it's hard to tell which one is not, then you can turn it off. That's pretty darn good. So then what we're going to do is we're going to grab the two outside pieces right here, go to our Pathfinder, and we're going to combine those. Then we're going to grab the two inside pieces, go to our Pathfinder, and we're going to combine those. And we can turn the outlines off, and we have our shield. So we'll grab our shield. Just don't want to select the JPEG back there. And bring it over because that one's done. All right, next I'm going to build this ribbon right here, the one with the curve. Yes, it would be easier to just do this one, but I want to show you an easy way to make this curve. So this time I'm just going to leave the fill color on for a moment, and I'm going to go from bottom edge to bottom edge. Just make sure it's lined up with the picture underneath. And I'm going to go up to Effect, Warp, and I want to go to Arch. And I need my bend to go up. So make sure you have preview on so you can see what you're doing. And here's a trick too. Select the number and just use the up arrow key. And about probably 30%. And then I need to adjust the vertical bend to -4 looks about right. So 30 and -4. And then I'm just gonna drag it to make it the size it's supposed to be. See? Just adjust it just a little bit. Oops. Perfect. And click off. Next, we're going to use the pen tool to just do these two shapes, and then we'll do what we did last time and we'll just reflect them. So with my pen tool, I don't want to fill, so I'm going to change my fill to nothing, but I do want an outline. Click, click. I'm just making a really simple triangle here. And then turn that inside. And again, just going from edge to edge. Put that little inset right there. And turn that in. And I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to group them. And then again, I'm either going to control click, right click, or go up to object. I'm going to transform, reflect, vertical 90, copy, and bring them over here. And grab all of this, whoops, and group it, make it easier to move. And drag that over. And now I can color them the way I want them to be, which was why I set up my color blocks over here. So I want the inside of the shield to be the lighter of the gold colors. And I want the outside to be that darker gold. And then for this one, I'm going to have to ungroup it so that way I can grab each piece. But this was my thought process on this one. Let me bring it up here. I want the front to be the lightest color. I want these two pieces to be that middle red. Oh, those were grouped. I'll group those. And then these two pieces to be the darkest red because they're the furthest back. And there you go. You have a shield and you have a ribbon.